In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Etsy cart before making a purchase. Whether you're using the Etsy app or website, it's crucial to ensure that everything you intend to purchase is just right before you hit that buy button. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to review your cart, making sure each item is perfect for you. First, you'll need to open the Etsy app on your mobile device or head over to the Etsy website on your computer. Once there, log into your Etsy account using your credentials. This step is essential because you need to be logged in to access your cart and make any purchases. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen for the cart icon. This is where all your selected items are stored. Clicking on this icon will open your cart, displaying every item you've previously added. It's a user-friendly way to keep track of your intended purchases, showing everything you might want to buy at a glance. Once your cart is open, it's time to review the contents thoroughly. Start by checking each item for the correct quantity, size, and color. It's easy to overlook these details, especially if you've been browsing a lot. You wouldn't want to end up with the wrong size shirt or an extra set of something you only needed one of. Pay special attention to ensure everything matches your preferences. Next, verify that the prices reflect any discounts or promo codes you might have applied. This is a great step to ensure you're actually getting the deal you intended. Additionally, keep an eye on the shipping costs and estimated delivery times. Sometimes these can vary based on the seller's location or shipping methods. As you're reviewing, if you notice that you need to make adjustments, perhaps changing the quantity of an item or selecting a different attribute such as size or color, simply tap or click the edit button. This option is usually right next to the item in your cart and gives you the flexibility to make the necessary changes without having to start over. If there are items in your cart that you no longer wish to purchase, you can easily remove them. To do this, simply look for the delete or remove option next to each item and click it. This action will instantly remove the unwanted product from your cart, ensuring you only purchase what you truly want. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to checking your Etsy cart before purchasing. This final step ensures you have everything you need and nothing you don't when it comes time to check out. Following these tips not only makes your shopping experience smoother, but also ensures satisfaction with your purchases once they arrive at your doorstep.